Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Universal Analyzer. We will start the video by an inspiring quote: "Life is best not for rest, but it is a test." In this video, we are going to find the solutions of a quadratic equation by the method known as factorization. To understand this method, I will explain two examples in which I will find the solutions of a quadratic equation by the method known as factorization. This is the first example that I have taken from the practice set. Here the quadratic equation have been given. We have to find its solution, that is the root, that is the value of the x. What is x, or what is the value of x? Now first of all, how to represent that is, consider x square minus 15x plus 54 is equal to 0. Now here the coefficient of the variable x square is 1. 1 into plus 54. 1 into plus 54 is 54, that is plus. Now we have to divide this number in such a way that these two numbers multiplication will be the answer, that is the plus 54, and after adding these two terms we should get the value minus 15, that is the coefficient of the variable x. We know the 54 is, we have to factorize it. The value will be 9, 6. That is the minus. Minus 9 into minus 6 is plus 54, and minus 9 plus minus 6 is minus 15. Now here the term minus 15 can be split in two ways, that is minus 9 and minus 6. Now using these terms we can write here that as it is x square term, this minus 15x term is splitted like minus 9x minus 6x. Minus 9x minus 6x will be the value minus 15x plus 54 is equal to 0. Now considering the two terms, these two terms, here the common in these two terms is x. Removing x, which is common, here the remained will be the x minus 9. After multiplying this x to this whole term, we will get x square minus 9x. In the same way, for the next terms, that is minus 6 is common, x minus 6x plus is here, that is minus plus, it will be 9. Here to check our this common, removing these common terms are correct or not, first of all we have to see that this term should be common. We should get this term common. Now we can write it as like x minus 6 into x minus 9, which is equal to 0. Now what this means, like consider x minus 6 is a into x minus 9 is b, which is equal to 0. If two terms multiplication is 0, what does it means? Multiplied b is equal to 0. What does it represents? It represents as a is 0 or b is 0 or a and b are 0. If a is 0, any number multiplied by 0 is 0, or if b is 0, any number multiplied with 0 is 0. In this way, here we can write, therefore x minus 6 is equal to 0 and x minus 9 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 9. In this way, we have got the solutions of this quadratic equation by the method factorization. Factorization here we have done in the we have to do in the rough area. In this way, the first example we have explained. In the same way, let's see the second example. The second example is x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Now, here we have to find the solutions of this quadratic equation by the method known as factorization. Now, we have to represent like given x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Here the first term and the coefficient of the x square and the coefficient of x raised to 0 we have to multiply. That is 1 into minus 20 is minus 20. We have to find the two numbers whose multiplication is minus 20 and these two numbers whose addition should be 1 because the coefficient of this variable x is 1. Now, we know 5 4s are 20, but the sign we should give here whose plus will be 1. If we keep 5 into 4, it will be 20. It will not be minus 20. Now, if we give the plus sign here, minus sign here, it will be minus 5 into minus 4 is minus 20 and minus 5 plus minus 4 is 1. That is the plus 1. In this way, we have to split the middle term. That is the term of x square x. Now, x square plus 5x minus 4x minus 20 which is equal to 0. Now, taking the common by considering two terms. Here in these two terms the common is x. The remaining will be the x plus 5. It will be x square plus 5x. Here minus 4 is the common. Keeping x, minus 4 into x is minus 4x. It will be the sign plus here it will be because plus minus it will become and it will be the 5 is equal to 0. Here the common is x plus 5. Therefore, x minus 4 into x plus 5 is equal to 0. That is x minus 4 is equal to 0 or we have to write and it should not be. X plus 5 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 5. In this way, we have got the solution of the given equation x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. These are also said as the root of this quadratic equation. In this way, by having these two examples, first example and the second example, we have explained you the method of factorization which has been used to find the solutions of a quadratic equation. This step is the most important one where we have to take care. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comments.